Welcome to the channel. We are continuing our previous topic, stoichiometry. First of all, you need to understand definition. Stoichiometry is about measuring the amounts of elements and compounds involved in the chemical reaction. You have to be clear about its meaning. Okay. Now we have an equation: 4NH3, 542, 6H2O, 4NO. Okay. There are several numbers involved. What do they are? What is the meaning of these numbers? 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 4. What are the meanings? Some are coefficients, some are subscripts. Okay. First of all, recall chemical formula represent number of atoms. Chemical formula represent number of atoms. Number of atoms. Okay. Chemical formula represent number of atoms. NH3 contains 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen atoms. O2 contains 2 oxygen atoms. H2O contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. And so like NO contains 1 nitrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. Recall that chemical formulas have molar masses. Chemical formulas have molar masses. We have to learn the molar masses of every element so we can calculate the molar masses of the compounds. NH3 has we use 17 as rough calculation. Okay, and to be precise, it is 17.04 gram per mole. Oxygen O2, this is O2. Okay, so one oxygen atom 16 gram per mole. Okay, 32 gram per mole. Okay, remember this. You have to remember the periodic table completely to figure out the values. Some values you have to learn and some you have given in the questions. Okay, H2O 18 gram per mole and NO 30 gram per mole. Recall that chemical formulas are balanced with coefficients. What? Chemical formulas are balanced with coefficients. Okay. What are coefficients? Let us see. These are the coefficients. 6, 4, these coefficients. There are 4 ammonia molecules. Okay, means we multiply 4 by NH3. Okay, 4 nitrogen atoms. 4 multiply 3 hydrogen are already there. 4 multiply 3, 12 hydrogen. And how many oxygen? 10 oxygen. 10 oxygen atoms. Or 5 molecules of oxygen gas. Okay. 6 molecules of water, 12 hydrogen, 6 oxygen, 4 molecules of NO, 4 nitrogen and 4 oxygen. Stoichiometry, we have to find the coefficients. With stoichiometry we find out the coefficients 4, 5, 6 and 4 do more than just multiply numbers, multiply atoms. Okay, 4 multiply N, 4 multiply H3, 4, 5 multiply O2, like this. Okay, are what we call mole ratio. This is the mole ratio of the equation. 4:5 ratio or proportion, you can use 6:4. Okay, these are in these ratio. These are the molar ratio of this equation. Okay, problems with molar ratio, what we face during solving mole ratio questions. Okay, we will use similar setup like we did in our previous lecture. Like we tried to understand what chemical equation give us. Okay, 1 mole of 1 to mole another problem. Okay, always start with given. Okay, for you have given question, start what is given to you. Okay, first understand what is given to you. Given always will go on bottom, so it can cancel. Okay, use the coefficient from the equation to make mole ratio. These are the main things you need to understand. This 1, 2 and 3. Given moles, want moles. What we have given? We have given the moles of one substance and we have to find the moles of other substance. Okay, if you are given a mole of one substance and 1 moles of another, use the molar ratio from the balanced chemical equation. If you have question like this, you have given 1 mole of like one substance reactant, you have to find the, they tell you that you have to find the moles of product substance. Okay, so here is an example equation. 2H2 plus O2 2H2O. Okay, given moles, what is given? This is the question thing. Okay, given moles of H2, 1 moles of H2. We have given moles of H2. We have to find moles of H2. Okay, given moles of H2, we have to do these things. Okay, to solve this. Okay, given mole of H2, multiply 2 moles of H2 divided by 2 moles of H2. This is the equation. This is the balanced equation. We have given these moles. Let us uh, take an example. For example, we have given 6. We have given 6 moles of H2. Okay. From balanced chemical equation, we write this 2 divided by 2, and we have to find moles of H2. This cancels out. Okay, and we will get 6 moles of H2. Okay. Mole ratio, use the coefficient from the balanced chemical equation. Okay, this is the step how you can find moles from moles. Okay, now here is the question number 1. That is the example. Now we have to do it mathematically. 4NH3 plus 5O2 6H2O plus 4NO. Now here is the question: how many moles of H2O are produced in 2 moles of O2 are used? If 2 moles of O2 are used, we have to find moles of H2O. We have given 2 moles of O2. Okay, first of all, we have to see the mole ratio between O2 and H2O. This is a balanced chemical equation. If you have given, probably you have given almost in every exam you have given the balanced chemical equation. If not, you have to balance the number of atoms on both sides of the equation. Okay, here is the balanced chemical equation. 5. If we have 5 moles of O2, it will produce 6 moles of H2O. So this is the equation. Okay, so seeing this is the process. This is the whole process. Okay, now we will multiply. 2. We have given 2 moles. What is the balanced chemical equation say? And 6 moles of H2O divided by 5 moles of O2. And this not cancels out. This must be 12 divided by 5. Okay, 12 divided by 5, almost it is 2.4 moles. 2.4 moles. We have found moles. If we have given 2 moles of O2, if we use 2 moles of O2, it will produce 2.4 moles of water. Here is the calculation you can see. Here is the calculation you can see here. Okay, going on to the next. This is the process. Okay, start with given 2 moles of O2, use the coefficient of O2 from the equation. The top will be what the problem asks for, use the coefficient for that from the equation. Okay, this is the second question. How many moles of NO are produced in the reaction if 15 moles of H2O are also produced? What is the ratio between H2O and NO? What is the ratio between H2O and NO? 6. It is 6:4. 6:4. All right, 6:4. 6:4. Now we have given how many moles of NO are produced if 15 moles of 6, according to this equation, 6:4. Okay, first of all, we have given 15 moles of H2O. We write this, and we have to find moles of NO. We write this 4 on O and 6 below. So doing these calculations, it will be 60 divided by 6. It is 10. So if 15 moles of H2O are produced, then 10 moles of NO will be produced in the reaction. Okay, let us see the calculations. These are the calculations you can see. Okay, this is for the today topic. We will discuss later examples in the and later problems in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and good luck for the exams.